If you've ever wanted to play a clip backwards in your video, whether it's for a cool effect or just fixing a mistake, this is one of the easiest things you can do in DaVinci Resolve. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reverse a clip step by step. First, make sure your clip is already placed on the timeline. That's important because reversing only works once the clip is inside your edit. Now, go ahead and click on the clip you want to reverse so it's selected. Next, right-click directly on that clip. A menu will pop up with several options. What you're looking for is something called Change Clip Speed. Click on that. A small window will appear. This is where you can control how your clip plays. To reverse it, simply check the box that says Reverse Speed. As soon as you enable that, your clip will play backwards. Now click Change and you're done. If you play your timeline now, you'll see the clip moving in reverse. Here's a small tip. If your clip also has audio, reversing it will reverse the audio too, which can sound pretty strange. If you don't want that, you can unlink the audio first by right-clicking the clip and selecting Link Clips to disable it. Then delete or mute the audio track. Another quick thing to watch for is speed changes. If your clip looks choppy after reversing, try increasing the clip speed slightly or make sure your footage frame rate matches your timeline settings. And that's it. That's how you reverse a clip in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, consider subscribing for more simple and practical editing tutorials.